I hold a pen. I hold a pen on white.
Yeah. And you can write?
Hmm?
Can you write your alphabet?
A, B, C, A, B.
Why don't you put the paper on the floor?
Okay, Dad, that's nice. That's a good idea.
What did you do to him?
Nothing.
Did you give that guy a mustache?
No, it's not a mustache. It's not.
Looks like a mustache. Oh, that's not a guy. That's a lesbian. Anyway, look. How about this car?
Yeah, you broke it.
It's okay.
You,
Well, be careful not. No, don't poke through.
But I didn't mean to broke the car. Look, the car can be brown. It's brown. It's brown, Daddy.
Yeah, it looks brown to me.
You can have a mustache. You can have a mustache.
Yeah, can you? Oh, no, Harry. Let me see. Yeah, now you have a mustache.
Yeah. Well, I have a mustache right on here. Right here.
Who gave you that mustache?
I did.
Oh, how about that?
You can have a mustache too. But you already have a mustache.
Oh, so I don't need one. I don't need one from the pen. I think that's enough mustache for you.
Yeah?
Yep. Time to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To the camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Can you show your teeth?